need Photoshop, so let me download Photoshop.
A few moments later.
You read it correctly. Photoshop is actually free. Okay, this is the free Photoshop. It's actually called Photopea. It's not made by Adobe. It's a third-party website, but it's the same thing as Photoshop. As you can see, the interface is identical.
Nice.
Alright, let's make a thumbnail. Here I have the image. Control Alt and T. Drag it like this. Confirm. Text. Photoshop is bad. Let me make this a bit smaller. Okay. This last but not least, should you actually use Photopea? Well, yes, try it. Just go to photopea.com. It has almost all the functions from the Photoshop. The only downside is that you will have some ads on the right, but that won't affect too much.